So you haven't got the budget and you've just started streaming, you want to create an overlay and not spend too much money or even any money whatsoever. Or perhaps you are perhaps you've been streaming for a long time and you are looking to reduce costs and things like that, not particularly wanting to go to somewhere like owned.tv. Well, here is your solution right here, guys. I made my own overlay. I made it because I didn't want to spend money on it, and because it'll make you stand out. As many overlays as there are out there on things like owned.tv, the problem being is that you look like everyone else. I always find even the homemade overlays that people make themselves. I've seen stuff made on Paint before on stream, and even though it looks very like basic and sometimes cheap, it kind of brings out your personality. And that's what I would recommend anyone to do. And this is my overlay that I use for my gaming on the regular. And as you can see, it's very basic. The image that I'm using in the background that you can see is slightly animated and moving. It's just a GIF image that I downloaded from Google. I just searched blue 4K background video and found one that I could use legally as well. There are stuff out there that obviously you have to get permission for or you have to get the rights to. There is an entire source out there of free to use material, things on YouTube that you can find that will allow you just to, credit someone to use. So I definitely recommend going out and having a search for a good background. And this one fits my branding. Blue and purple are like the main sort of colours for my theming and my branding. Branding's very, very important, and we'll go and do another video at some point over branding and how you can build a brand. Now, all I've got on here is a logo, which is very important for branding again. My camera, which I can also switch out to a secondary camera, which I've got over here. Hello! And then I have got my event list from Stream Elements, which we can go through another time. Then we have got my little animated character. I can swap that out to whatever I want in terms of what he's holding or what he's doing, depending on the game I play. So, for example, if I'm playing a shooter, I can put a little gun on him. If I'm playing a beat 'em up, I can put little boxing gloves there. Or Pokemon, I can put a Pokeball there. Like, I can swap it out, and it just makes it quite fun and exciting for my viewers to come back and see what he's holding or what he's doing in this stream related to what I'm playing. So that's a fun little tip that right there. Then I've got my current achievements and next achievements. That again relates to me as an achievement hunter. Perhaps you have a different niche. Maybe you are a Pokemon streamer. You could have a Pokedex there that you could check off as you go. And you could have a count of Pokemon. You could have how many badges you've got. Something visual for the chat to see that isn't information they don't need to see. There's a lot of stuff on Twitch which is like all related to like stream goals and this, that, and the other. And I just unless you're doing a charity stream, I don't like having those goals on the screen for people to see. I don't know. It feels very generic. The other thing I've got here, again, I've got a little trophy icon there. Again, relates to my achievement hunting. Again, reinforces the brand that I'm building. And then we've got the chat tags. This is stuff that chat need to see to know what they can use in the chat. So if they want to use gamertag, find my gamertag. Discord, if they want my Discord link. And it's always there to remind them that those links are there, because otherwise there's no other way to see it other than putting it in your Discord or in a title or whatever. It's kind of hard to list all of that. So I've listed all that there. And again, my charity challenge right now is active. So I've got this bar at the top. It's normally not usually there in a normal stream. So there's that. And then on top of that, I have got my Be Right Back screen. So yeah, this the back. My Be Right Back video is just some clips, an event list, my logo, and Be Right Back. Obviously, you can put a timer on there if you want to, if you know how long you're going to be. And the background is literally a video image of my computer set up, blurred. And I've showed you before filters. And then I've got my intro screen, which has got a timer as to when I'm going to go live. Again, logo, event list, and a little logo for my charity as well. So yeah, it's very basic, and I don't think it needs any more than what it is. I mean, look at my just chatting screen. This is just my just chatting screen. This is the screen I start my streams with to say hello to people. And this is literally it. It's just a logo and an event list. It's very, very simple. You don't need all these flashy boxes and artwork, and you might want to use like the stream avatar software, but I feel it cramps up the screen when you don't have that much space to play with as it is. I want the center of attention to be really this face, even though, you know, it's not the best looking face, but hey, it's a face. In the description of this video, I'm going to leave you some good sources for free images and videos and stuff that you can use without having to pay. And if you want something in particular, please reach out to me. I might be able to help you. I'm good at graphic design. I have good knowledge of Photoshop and Premiere, so please get in touch with me if there's something you want, and I'll try and fit it in. Also, check out Hot Frog Animations. I will leave a link in the description below. They do all the awesome animations for my Twitch channel and my YouTube, so really, really good pricing there as well, and definitely will help you, you know, sort of work around what your budget is, which is really, really awesome. Again, link in the description below. Hot Frog's Animations also one of my mods in my Twitch channel, so shout out to you. Thank you. I'll see you with the next one, guys. Thanks very much.